look at that quality. Alright, so this is gonna be the first video for this channel. So, welcome! Today we're gonna do, I think this is a 2020 Honda Accord. We're gonna be doing 20% all over. So, yeah. This is, I can't wait to do this because it's a beautiful color. So we're gonna start this off right. And number this, let you watch me work. Don't mind the trash over there. I'm gonna get that all done and cleaned up. But for now, I'm worried about this. This baby is nice. So let's get to it. And boom, here's the back glass. Nice and pretty. You know? So, it's a wrap. We're gonna have way more, so stay tuned.